In this video we will explore more about orthographic mode, polar tracking and object snap. You are encouraged to pause and practice along with the video lesson. You may open the exercise file, Ortho Object Snap Exercise 1.dwg and follow the lesson. You may also refer to the Notes Unit 2 page 2-12, 13 and 23. Let's begin by activating the orthographic mode. You can toggle on or off orthographic mode by pressing the F8 key. Ensure that the ortho mode is blue. Start by using line command, pick a point anywhere inside the box to start. Next move the cursor around and you will notice that the line does not follow the cursor but move either horizontal or vertical only. Click and draw a few lines. Notice all lines drawn are either horizontal or vertical. To draw a line other than horizontal or vertical, you can key in distance and angle, learned in the previous video. Once done you can press spacebar or escape to exit from the command. Turn off ortho mode and you can now create lines based on your cursor. Next we move on to polar tracking. You can toggle on or off polar tracking by pressing the F10 key. Activate polar tracking and select the required predefined incremental angles. Select 15, 30, 45, 60 option. It means that polar tracking is available for every 15 degrees. Notice that there will be an infinite green tracking line that appears at the predefined angle. Move the mouse until the 30 degrees tracking line appears, hover over it and key in the 60 as the distance. Take note that you do not eyeball the angle value as the display for angle value might be a round number. Always use the tracking method or key in the angle value manually. Next move the cursor at 90 degrees position, ensure tracking is available before keying in distance of 20. Next move till 150 degrees and key in 60. We can switch to different predefined angle midway, for example to larger angle intervals such as 45, 90, 100, and 35 etc. Key in 70 as distance when angle is at 225 degrees and lastly click back to the end point. Object snap. Let's move to setting up running object snap. To know more about the description of the object snap, we can refer to page 2-13. Let's enable endpoint, center, and extension. Before we start, we will toggle off object snap to see the effect of not turning it on. We will try to draw a line and try to connect it to the endpoint of this line. Notice that the line does not snap to the end of the line. Now toggle object snap on and draw a line. When the mouse moves near to the endpoint, notice that a green box appears. Click and see that the line snaps to it. Press ESC or spacebar to exit the command. Next, we try to draw two lines from the intersection points, one of which is perpendicular and the other midpoint of the oblique line. To temporarily select an object, snap override, depress or hold down the Shift or Control key and right-click the mouse button. Select intersection and click on the required point. Similarly, using the same technique, Shift/Control plus right-click, select perpendicular object, snap and choose the oblique line. Notice that a perpendicular symbol appears. Next, for midpoint. Do note that a triangle symbol appears. Next, we draw a line from the quadrant of the circle to the geometric center of the hexagon. Geometric center works only on objects like circle, polygon, or enclosed using polyline. Lastly, we will draw a line tangent and connecting to both circles.